family.
Yeah, I know this.
And me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth, one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we.
Guys, look at this freaking snowstorm that Jermaine and I are going out in. Jeremy, I'm gonna stay we at. Guys, look it. This is a lot of snow. A snowstorm this. Come, Jeremy. Alex! Hey!
Go.
Later! Oh my god. Look at the car, you guys. Look at all that snow. Ooh. Oh my. Jeremy, where are we going?
Lisa?
Shit.
You see them when we go for roll out. The place book up.
Book up. Movie sold out. Still sold out because we couldn't even get seats together, but we're gonna work it.
She said green man, whatever. She said me don't make it and so much girl won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if me have a girl me suffer. Cause girl I you me love, you me love. What kind of other girl you come and tell me about? No girl I you me love. I say, you me love, you me love.
Where do we get this out? Over there? Okay. Come on, boss man. Oh. You want the pan silent?
Proper.
We went to go see Black Panther, you guys. It was so freaking good. Action-packed, 99.9% black people.
Fully loaded. Proper.
Oh
Merge onto Cedar Street, then use the right lane to take the I-95 ramp.
Ooh. Oh God! I like this song, but me a natural browning, no bleaching boy. Don't turn me in.
Real talk.
You, Jimmy Choo. Yeah, what I do?
Weezer!
Money. Pop, pop.
Ugly. Yo.
Ah, Jermaine didn't know this song. I'm putting Jermaine onto this song. It's done snowing, guys. This is the aftermath. We not carry speed.
Species, them are dirty. Me a tell you say them are dirty. For real, them are dirty. Them no one will live in past 30. But we don't carry.
Got to be ready. Hey guys. Oh, damn, I just started feeling this weird discomfort in my side. Anyway, I'm trying to get Jermaine to come with me to the gym today. We haven't been in like weeks, okay? Probably about look who just decided to join us.
My people.
Are you coming?
I'm ready.
Oh, I thought you were trying to lay him out the thing because me I text you, you know, answer, me I call you.
I'll be coming up on the phone. And after I come off the phone, Missy say,
yes, that's all it is, you know.
make a step.
Chat to me. That's all enough for the chat per phone, you know.
No, but I'm talking to Lucky.
Anyway, we're gonna get out of here now. Serious, like I seriously, I want to go to the gym at least 5 days out of the week. Starting
2
now.
days, man. 2 days.
5. You don't have to come all 5. Maybe we could do 4. 4 every other day. Yeah.
Every other day.
Every other day. Today is what, Tuesday? Because we missed Monday, we have to do today and tomorrow, and then we can skip Thursday.
Okay.
All right? Okay. You see the fear in that Jermaine fears people? But tell you let them get the fear. Jermaine is scared. I don't think he wants to, guys.
Pressure.
Pressure. Need to get fit, man. Look.
Pressure most pipe.
Guys, when we get to the gym, we're going to show you Jermaine's belly. And you guys are going to do it for yourself and see the difference between the first video that we did and Jermaine's belly at this present time.
That's true, but I know the gym do it. And natural fruits. Straight fruits.
Gym, working out, and eating better, yeah? Because I'm now vegetarian. I'm not eating any meat whatsoever. So anything when me cook, vegetarian, I might have to eat it. Even though I think in teeth I eat meat every now and then.
Me can't dash you fully.
But me not cook it, so I'm not get it from me. Yeah. But I think that's made a big difference. By the way, you guys, we love the love that you guys have been showing us on the vlogs, okay? Right, Jermaine?
Come on, it. More thumbs up, you know. More flags. We have something fresh. But we're not release yet, you know.
Right. No release until we show this one enough love.
Yeah. Well, I know, so now watch up a thing, you see.
Yes, and everybody who's watching, you guys, please make sure that you've clicked on the notifications button, because it's very discouraging to put the effort that we do into making these vlogs and then not have them get watched, or for whatever reason. I think the reason you're not being seen is because you guys are not being notified that they come out. So if you're watching, take the time out to go and click the notifications button.
Yeah, because I have something fresh. I have boss in the secret.
They're going to see that before they see this. Oh my God. Jeremy, let me down in the next vlog, guys. Let me down. Alright, so Jeremy and I are back in the gym, you guys. He's doing a little bit better today. Somebody smoking weed, is that? Damn. And me for where? Guys, look. The belly almost gone. Yo, is somebody smoking in the gym? Holy shit. Anyway, we're gonna work out. Bye.
Call it how it is. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
Come on, dude. How many is that?
20.
All right, so Cindy and Jermaine, take two. Yeah. Are you gonna do better this time?
I always do.
Yeah, do at least 20 for lucky.
10.
20, Jermaine. 20. You're not doing any weights. You're just using your body. You should be able to do at least 20. You're not doing no weights. Come on, let's do it. Where can I put this shit to record it? I'm wondering where I can put this so it can record us.
Down first.
Huh? Come on.
Rep the set, yeah. Gotta rep the set. Gang, gang. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask on.
Jermaine fucked up. Jermaine fucked up. Go down, man. You're not going down. Guys,
I'm doing well enough.
and pop down, guys. The man pop down star.
Yeah, pop down.
Pop down.
Eating on the coupe, gang, gang. Drug houses, well, looking like Peru. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Graduated, crazy. I was overdue, I'm due. Pink money, money. I can barely move, barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move. Yeah, young Pluto. Ocean now, damn. Cruising Biscayne, hit firm. Top off, yeah, that's a liability. Big firm. Hit the gas, gas. Boosting my adrenaline, big firm. Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, big firm. Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, big firm.
About to get massaged by this man again.
No, no. Money by this lady.
By this lady. You put your money in already? Okay. By the way, you guys, Jeremy did very well today. He sprinted on 7 for about 15 minutes. Not bad.
I said my area.
7. Liar. He did 7, you guys. I did 7.3.
Champion boy, see.
Whatever. Oh. Jeremy and I just wrapped up at the gym. We forgot to show you his stomach properly. But if you guys remember, the very first video that we did when Jermaine was in the gym, Jermaine had about a 6 or 7 month belly in front of him. Wait!
Right now, he gone.
Gone. Turn to the side, Jermaine. That's about what? 2 month belly?
No man, my belly not did it.
No, but for real, the belly is gone,
No
you guys. The belly is gone. Lucky at me, do that for you now. Why?
No belly, Cinderella.
No belly.
How about God to sleep? Sleep on the
I
floor.
sleep him. Did I sleep? Jeremy is supposed to can't drive a foreign now, you know.
Yeah, I can't drive. I'm not forcing my life. I can't drive every day. I want to relax. A foreign me there, no man. Drive a yard and drive abroad.
Jeremy doesn't want to drive, you guys.
I'm more relax now, man. I feel me time for relax.
That's
For your
true.
time for drive.
Guy with me, got Jamaica. Me not drive.
Yeah. Vacation with up.
If I drive, Jermaine is not around. But if Jermaine is around, I'm not driving.
Yeah. So my time now. Relax.
All right, fine.
Yeah, man.
You have that one.
Yeah, man.
You have
Relax,
that one.
man. Only because I forgot my champagne up a yard. We should have bring it.
Champagne.
Yeah.
You get that blowout, do we?
Yeah, you know what?
Driving while intoxicated, you can't drink. Oh, even though you're not driving still. So you're fine. But even me, if there's an open container in the car, I could get in trouble.
Oh, yeah,
Because they're gonna impute it to me. Okay, I was drinking. Behind the wheel. Damn, this shit's been on for 10 minutes. What? That was a good workout, guys.
Face get doubly ugly.
Who let the Flintstones out? Yabba dabba doo! Oh my god.
Isa?
That was a good workout, Jermaine.
Yeah, man. Good workout.
Tomorrow again?
No, you say you have to skip one day, another day.
No, but we didn't go Monday, so we're gonna do Tuesday, Wednesday, skip Thursday, then we do Friday. That's it. That's till Monday again.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
In the one go, you know, guys. The one no one go. Nah, Jermaine, I'm gonna make you work out like until I go back. You're gonna live in the gym until I go back.
You should be sitting there, give me
What do you want?
the key.
Oh.
And the IV, so when them boy back me up, you know, show up me. They can't tell like bad till they
Hey, bud, hey, bud. My girl, you know, see you bleaching. Right, sir? I took you off, Jermaine?
One of you, yes, one of you.
Oh, okay.
You know that.
Fuck off.
You,
Later.
yeah.
All right.
You must